What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kai Gibson, aka and y'all already know what time it is today. For my entrepreneurs, my hustlers, my grinders, we have the video prepared for you today. If you guys read that description, I'm gonna be giving you guys over $100,000 loan that does not require any documents. That's right, no documents. We're gonna go over it all inside of this video. Make sure y'all tap in with me. And y'all thought I forgot. It's time to drop another bomb on everybody inside of this YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are ready. And we about to get ready to tune in on exactly how you go through this loan, step by step, and exactly how you get the approval. Now, you guys know inside this YouTube channel, I try to provide the best loans, lines of credit, and credit cards that you can possibly have for your business and also on the personal side. But today, we're gonna be actually talking about a personal loan that you can go out and get, that you can have no documentation, no proof of income. It's gonna be crazy inside this video, you guys. And I wanna let you guys know, like, I'm about to show you guys step by step on how to do this. Unlike all these gurus that try to tell you, oh, listen, all you have to do is just go do this, and they're not actually showing you how to do it.
Need that momentum to break free. When a rocket is flying out towards the moon to escape the atmosphere, it doesn't
mean that I'm a lot different than these gurus on the internet that just try to come after your money.
It's been 24 hours. Got my money? Oh, you know what? Just give me till next Friday. I'll have it for you. Oh, that's funny. I could have sworn I said have it today.
Today, we're gonna actually be talking about the Wells Fargo personal loan. This is a very good loan, especially for the people that actually have a relationship with Wells Fargo. It's going to be excellent for you. Now, I wanna let you guys know, we're gonna go over a couple of things that you need to get approved for this personal loan and just the qualifications, which is not much. All right, stick with me to the end. I'm gonna give you guys exactly what you need to be able to get approved for this personal loan. The first thing I wanna let you guys know is you're not gonna have to worry about that high interest rate when it comes to this personal loan. So not only are they not gonna require any documentations or any proof of income, but the APR is going to be very low for this loan. So for those people who actually need a boosting to be able to help them out on the investing side, because we know majority of us usually invest on the business side. We have our business credit card, lines of credit, and loans for the business side, right? But what if you're not able to be able to go over on the business side just yet, or you have problems that's going on with your business that you just need a lend out on the personal side? This is going to be able to help you go out and invest with that low APR, you guys. If you're somebody that actually has a great relationship with Wells Fargo, let's say that you've been with Wells Fargo for at least 2 to 3 years or even a year, you have a credit card with them, you have a bank account, anything that is building a relationship already with Wells Fargo, you're gonna have a higher chance of getting approval for this loan, which is so great. But for the people that do not have a relationship, you kind of expect to be on the lower side when it comes to actually getting that approval. But not saying you can't get it. It's just best to be able to have a relationship with Wells Fargo because they are a relationship built bank. I told you guys a lot, when you're going out to these relationship built banks, they don't really care about the personal credit score as much as they do the relationship with them. Now, the credit score is very important and the credit report is very important to them. But when they see that you have a relationship with these banks, they're able to give you a higher credit limit and you have a higher chance of getting approved for these loans. For some people who actually don't have a relationship with the Wells Fargo bank, you can expect for them sometime to be able to ask you for extra documentation. So for somebody that has that relationship, you're gonna get that no documentation, no proof of income. And for the people that do not have a relationship, some of those people can actually apply for it and get the approval without any documentation. But I'm just letting you guys know to expect. If you don't have a relationship with Wells Fargo, you can expect to add documents on for them to be able to see for you to get the approval. Like I said, it's gonna be up to $100,000. So the people that actually have their relationship, you can touch the top of the scale, all right, that 100,000. But for the people who don't, you cannot expect to be able to get that 100,000. Saying that, we're about to go ahead and go on to the requirements on exactly what you need to be able to get this approval. But before we do, make sure if you're still supporting the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that share button, turn those notifications on. That way you will be updated by your boy every single day. The requirement is you want to make sure that you don't have at least 5 new accounts applied for within the first 12 months. So that means when you're going out to apply for this Wells Fargo personal loan, you want to make sure that you're not applying for everybody else's loans and lines of credit and all those different things that's going to actually be able to hit your credit. Now, I'm going to tell you guys exactly who they're going to be pulling from inside of this video, but you want to just make sure that you literally are not going out and being thirsty asking for money, because when these big financial institutions see that, they're not going to lend you out any money because they're seeing that, hey, listen, you're a little bit money thirsty, my guy. We can't give you no money lended out. You're asking for everybody else money. Why would we give it to you? The next thing is, you want to make sure that when you're going out to apply for this personal loan, that you let Wells Fargo know that you want it taken straight out of your checkings account. The reason why, for other people who decide to, hey, listen, I don't want it taken straight out of my Wells Fargo checkings account, well, then you're going to have to settle with a higher APR rate than usual. All right, guys. So last but not least, who is exactly Wells Fargo pulling from? Where are they getting their data from to be able to approve us for this loan? They're actually going to be doing a soft pull on your TransUnion score. That's right, a soft pull. So it's not going to be a hard inquiry on their personal credit score. And we tell you guys that really is able to be able to harm your personal credit score as you're getting inquiries, because when you out and apply for somebody that's actually going to do a hard inquiry on your TransUnion, well, then guess what? It's going to start reporting within 5 to 10 seconds. So after that happens, you can't go out to another financial institution and say, hey, listen, I want another loan or I want a credit card, because they see that you just got done applying for somebody else. So Wells Fargo is actually going to be doing a soft pull on your TransUnion. You want to make sure you're at least, when you're applying for this loan, around a good credit score, okay? So around that 680 all the way up to 700 plus score before you even apply for this Wells Fargo loan, you guys. Now what I'm about to get ready to do is I'm about to get ready to take you guys over to the laptop, show you guys exactly where you need to be able to go to get this loan. So make sure you stay in tune. All right, guys, so in it like Bennett now, this is exactly where you want to be able to go to apply for this personal loan, especially if you're a person that already has a relationship with Wells Fargo. You just simply go to www.wellsfargo.com/personal loan. Now, one thing I got incorrect, y'all, let me go ahead and correct me, okay? Let me go ahead and correct it, all right? They have went up on the APR, as you guys can see right here. The APR is now 7.45% for the APR, you guys. A couple of things I want to just be able to go over with you guys. More benefits when it comes to this loan. As you guys can see, the terms right here, the terms are going to be flexible all the way from 12 to 84 months. So that's the first thing you need to know. Another thing I wanted to be able to go over when it comes to you guys is you're going to be able to get a same-day decision. So that means within 24 hours, Wells Fargo is be able to give you a decision automatically on this loan, and you'll be able to automatically get the money deposited into your account, which is so good, you guys. I know a lot of people actually want to be able to do that, and with 24 hours of the approval, that is actually great. Now, for the people that actually want to be able to go inside the branch, which I advise you to really go online before you actually go inside the branch and be able to. But for the people that don't have a relationship, another thing, right? For the people that don't have a relationship with Wells Fargo, 9 times out of 10, some of you guys are going to have to actually be stepping inside of the bank, okay? You're going to have to be going inside the bank because they're going to need just more documentation, and that's just documents you can't provide online, okay? So some of you guys are going to actually have to be able to walk into the branch, but you want to be able, all in all, you guys, you want to be able to just go on to www.wellsfargo/personal loan. You're going to be able to see your options right here. You just simply go through the application, okay, and fill out everything that is needed right here, you guys. Now, like I said, this is going to be an easy, simple process. You guys can fill this out within less than 10 minutes, you guys, and go ahead and get your approval. They're going to be doing that soft pull on your TransUnion. So make sure you have the TransUnion on point, you guys, before you go out and apply for this. We don't want anything harming our personal credit score at all. So just make sure that you know that your personal credit score, you have all those negatives wiped off. You have positive accounts reporting to your personal credit score, and you're going to be good, y'all. Once again, it's your boy, Kai Gibson, a.k.a. Rich Secrets. And make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, turn those notification bells on. That way you'll get updated by your boy every single day, you guys.